Hi there, म्हज्या मोगाळ गोंयकार भावांनो आनी भयणांनो. We have now come to the village of Siridao, where we are going to bring to you one of these very unique festivals of communal harmony between the two major communities of Goa, the Catholics and the Hindus. I'm not going to tell you anything right now. I'm going to wait and allow you to watch what is happening as the episode goes through. So, let's not waste time. I am looking out for the nearest shades as soon as I go out in the hot sun, and we are getting to you the feast of Our Lady of Annunciation, or what is locally called by the local people of Goa as the Pezeche Fest of Siridao or Shirdona. And when you say it's a Goan feast, it just cannot be complete without the brass band. Here they go. In fact, we have come for the Feast of Annunciation. I'm sure that you don't know the meaning of what is the meaning of Annunciation. So here we got Father Anil Kumar, who is the parish priest here. Let us find out from him what is this feast all about, the Feast of Annunciation. Father?
Depicted here in this beautiful picture,
Yes.
the angel Gabriel gives a good message to Mary that she's going to be the mother of God, and she accepts, she says yes to God's plan in the name of all of us.
Happy feast. Thank you so much. That was Father Anil Kumar. So, at Siridao, we are inside the chapel dedicated to Jesus of Nazareth. Today is the feast, and this feast is called as the Feast of Our Lady of Annunciation. But the local people here call it the Pezeche Fest. And why? Is because this particular feast here in Siridao, a beautiful fishing hamlet of Siridao, this particular feast is related to vows. If they have taken a vow, or they have said that in return for a favor, I will come and I will drink the pez. What is pez? Pez means kanji, boiled rice, cooked and left very watery in a gruel form. And that is how this particular feast has got this name called as Pezeche Fest. Inside this particular chapel, now we have to see one thing. This particular chapel has got a very unique architecture, very unique architecture, where it is sitting on top of a hillock overlooking the Marmagoa harbor. Very strategic. Number two, it has got the main sanctum sanctorum, which is dome shaped. Looks very Jewish. Maybe there is some link, but right now I would not like to say that it is this. Now, on this particular day, there are thousands of people of all different faiths who queue or line up outside this chapel just to venerate the idol that you see behind me over here, and that is of Jesus Christ with the crown of thorns, with his hands tied. It's a beautiful life-size image, and people come here and pray to that. Pray to that. Some of the carved idols that are over here, the altar, it's amazing, really amazing. When the High Mass is on, just before the start of the High Mass, the procession of all the people who have sponsored this particular feast, they all come out from this chapel, they go round behind the clergy, the parish people who are sitting down, and then they come walking straight up to the, and then the High Mass starts. This year, the High Mass is being said by the parish priest of Sir Cathedral, Father Vaz.
Solveswara sasnacha baba, tumbo vortoni tukada bukonut shokona, tori tuzo sasnik subdankar maricha kusvian munisam soburtu veni uchile. Tom to surbundar khoro divani khoro munis mudami kirbavarda sotmanta, istam cha somya puti.
When we came here, I wanted to know, the name, the identity of this particular thing. I told you this is called as the Feast of Our Lady of Annunciation, locally called as Pezeche Fest. So when I asked them, immediately the volunteer, they gave me this. And behind this it is written, Jesus Nazareth Annunciam Saibinice Porom Sumorpitat, or the people who have sponsored the Jesus Nazareth Our Lady of Annunciation feast. In the procession, you will find that people are carrying a silver staff with them, and they walk in the procession with their wife. Now, these are the people who have sponsored this particular feast. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes you feel nice when any organization, whether it is an institutionalized event or it may be a religious event, you feel nice when proper arrangements are made. And this is what I saw here when I came. I found that inside this hall, the main hall of this chapel, They had a bench where all the mothers with their children and babies were sitting down away from the heat outside. Ladies and gentlemen, this particular feast is held in April or May on the first Sunday after Easter, and the temperature outside is murderous. So please wear a hat, wear loose flowing clothes if you come for a picnic or any other event in these areas. You find me sitting down on the ground. What you cannot see is I selected this place because outside it was so hot that there was a fan above and it is cooling over here. But outside, ladies and gentlemen, it's very hot. But that does not stop the people coming over here in thousands to attend this mass. You can see in the pandal outside the people sitting down very systematically. Feels nice. And this is one very important part of events being organized, whether it is in churches, in temples, in Goa. This is the speciality of Goa and Goans. Yes, we do have some exceptions to the rule, but if we do convince them, they also fall in line. So what we will do now, I am feeling a little cooler. We will see the chapel, we will see the altars, the main altar, and the dome from inside. You have seen it from outside, let's see it from inside. And then I'm going to take you to the very reason why this particular festival is called as Pezeche Fest. More when we go down. Us, we come for the Siridao Pezeche Fest. But do we know that each festival has got its speciality? And do you all know what is the speciality of this particular festival? Yes, besides having the pairs which you have vowed for, they are the fans. This particular feast caters to the fans that we use because the weather is very, very hot. We are in the summer. You get two different types of fans. One is the bamboo one, and the other one is called as the Bornao fan. Did you know this? And here we are with Maria Santan Esteves, who cultivates and gets this particular fans this fence every year, and I tell you, I have gone and seen how they do this particular process. It's very, very tedious. So let us speak to Maria Santanistives in her own language, Konkani. आम्ही सगळे गोंयकार. Maria बाय, आका कितें म्हणटा?
हेका हें वखद रे
वय.
दांतांचें
हा.
आनी बनाव
बनाव.
बनाव.
बनाव म्हणटा. आनी तुवें वखद म्हणलें हें?
हें वखद हें वखद भुरग्यांकूय जाता व्हडल्यांकूय जाता
वय. कित्याक वखद दोंतांचें?
दांतांचें
ओके.
जिरें घालूंक जाय
हां.
फतकोतूंक जाय आनी शिजोवन पिवंक.
आनी कितलें घालूंक जाय भितर?
पळय इल्लें
इल्लेंशें?
इल्लें घालपाक
गरम
गरम तें
गरम
hot.
हें गरम भितर.
हय हें
Okay,
गरम.
ladies and gentlemen, I asked her why they are selling this fence. Besides amazing aroma, I used to take this and put this in my clothes. But she has given me a secret that this is a very good deworming, where you take a little bit of this, add a little bit of saunf or jeera, what we call as, boil it, drink it. Very, very good medicine for deworming of kids as well as you. You also may have worms. So buy this when you come here. I remember a few years back when this lady, they used to sell around 5 or 6 of this for 100 rupees. But today I am going to buy it for 100 rupees 3. And let me tell you, this is worth it. And it is not that they sell it here. They also go to the Siridao Jatra, the fire walking of Sri Lairai, and you find this entire family selling this Bornau fan to all the people over there. So here, look at it very carefully. This is the Bornau fan, and this is the family that cultivates it. The feast called as the Pezeche Fest, or the Feast of Our Lady of Annunciation, celebrated in the Jesus of Nazareth or Jesu Nazarene Chapel in Siridao. Why have we brought you here? The Pez? Yes, but this particular festival is a symbol of communal harmony. Why? Is because for this feast celebrated by the Catholic community of this village and the entire of Goa, the pez or the rice is cooked and given by a Hindu family, the Dempo family. And what do they do over there? This festival basically is, you have vowed earlier that my child is sick or something is wrong. If it becomes okay, I will come here and drink the pez. That is what this feast is all about. But preparing the pez, yes, for the last 120, 130 years, it has been prepared in the same way in these pots, 7 copper pots, where the rice is cooked, and then it is using this big handles, it is taken out and then it is poured to the people. Thousands of people, they come here to have this pez. Some have it in the traditional mud pot, or some of them, they have it in a plastic container. Some of them pack that container and take it home. But here we have come and seen this gentleman, Mr. Venkatesh Shirvaikar, who has been preparing this pez. Let us find out from Mr. Venkatesh Shirvaikar what this is about. Venkatesh बाब, ये कितने वर्ष झाल्यापासून तू हे करता? 25 वर्षां झाली. आता हे जे हांगा पळय तांदूळ शिजयता, कितले वर्सांपासून झाले आसतले? खूप वर्सां झाले आसतले. माझे बाबा आसतात. Okay, he is talking about his generation also being there. But records tell us that almost about 120, 125 years ago, this particular thing was started. But remember one thing, it is cooked in 7 copper pots. Always. And people, they flock over here. And something else I must tell you also. You know, enterprising spirit, even you can have it. Can you have kanji just like that? It doesn't taste very good. But the ladies outside, they came up with a very ingenious plan. Today is the season of mangoes and raw mangoes. So they make pickle and it goes amazing with the pears over here. So next time you come to Siridao for the Pezeche Fest, you will eat the kanji prepared by Mr. Shirvaikar here. Great guy. Okay, I have no joy in sitting next to the fire in this hot climate outside. Why I am sitting down here is to tell you that this particular fire and the cooking of this kanji starts at 1 o'clock in the morning. By 4 o'clock, everything is ready for the people who start coming here from 7 o'clock. This is a very traditional way of cooking in Goa. We don't cook this much in a house, but when there are other people around, or it is a feast, big handos. I have come for the Pezeche Fest, and yes, I had made a vow that I am going to bring this Pezeche Fest to all of you all over the world, wherever you are. So my vow, I have to keep it. So what I am going to do, I have just borrowed this small little dono and I am going to go, I have taken a shortcut, don't tell anybody. And here I am going to take the pears. And what I am going to do, I am going to eat it. I think he wants to give me something. This is the pickle. See. I don't think I'm going to eat my food today because and with that goes the pickle. Tasty, what a combination. Don't ever miss coming for the Pezeche Fest of Siridao, because this is the real culture of us Goans. Irrespective of who celebrates, we have to keep it alive. Let me finish this now. For this festival of what we call as the Pezeche Fest, if you think that only people like me come over here, no. Every year we have got some very, very eminent and prominent people who come here to fulfill their vow. And this time we were very lucky to meet the MLA of San Andre, Mr. Francis Silveira. Very happy feast to you, sir.
Wish you the same.
Thank you.
अख्ख्या गोंयचो तसो संवसाराचो लोक ह्या श्रीदाव जिस नजाराच्या चॅपेलांत दर्याचे वयर हें चॅपेल आसा सोबीत आनी सुंदर हे वाठारांत ही फेस्ताची परब जाता आनी हांव फेस्ताची परब सगल्यांक हॅप्पी फिस्ट म्हणटा. सगल्या सिड्डोनच्या गांवच्या लोकांक, सगल्या कुटुंबांक जे आमच्या गांवांत रावतात, गांवचो लोक जायतो आमचे सिड्डोनचो लोक UK गांवांत आसात, पॅरिसाक आसात, जावं सगल्या संवसारांत शिंपडलेलो आसा, तांकां हांव ही फेस्ताची परब तांकां आवडटा. जायतो लोक ह्या फेस्ताचे परबेच्या निमितान गांवांत येता आनी सगल्यांक एक उमेदीन, एक कुशलकायेन ही फेस्ताची परब ते मनयतात. आनीक फावट तांकां सगल्यांक फेस्ताची परब ही सोबीत आनी सुंदर हें फेस्त ह्या गांवांत जाता. तांकां आनीक फावट ही फेस्ताची परब तांकां आवडटा आनी खुशालकायेन हें जे फेस्त जाता पेजेचें फेस्त म्हणटात आमी. आनी मागलेलें हें आमकां खरेंच मेवता. हांव जायते फावट हांव सदांच जेस नाजाऱ्या त्या चॅपलांत जायते फावट येतात आनी सायबिणी कडेन मागता सनसेन सायबिणी आनी म्हाका मागलेलें तें खरेंच म्हाका मेवलेलें आसा. येस.
Here I am going to ask our beloved MLA of San Andre one question. And the question is, he said that when you ask something, it has already been given. Should I ask him the question that you all have in your mind? Did he pray here that he wanted to be the MLA?
Yes.
That is a very, very frank answer. So on your behalf, let me wish him a very, very happy feast of Annunciation. Yeah. So my dear Goenkarano, I have come here to the end of the Pezeche Fest, and you can see me, I have to take the support of my beloved coconut tree because I am totally finished. The temperatures are killing. I just can't understand how the people have come to this beautiful picnic spot of Siridao and they are enjoying. But that is the spirit of Goa. So, when we bring to you all this, please let us know how this particular thing was. Yes, I meet a lot of people who are coming up and telling us that they love this program, but I don't get to hear this from all of you. Please put in a small line of appreciation, or if you don't like it, tell us so. And to tell us so, you can see the email over here on your screen. Please write to us. Please write to us. And Dev Bare Karo, Moga Sari.